Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. I love making cocktails, so I actually wanted to share a few of my recipes with you guys. So we're gonna start off today with a watermelon margarita. Here's what you'll need: a shaker, muddler, jigger, citrus squeezer, a whole lime, cut up pieces of watermelon, your preferred tequila, a citrus liqueur, and a glass with cubed ice. First, you'll add a few watermelon pieces to the shaker. About 2 or 3 will do. Then you'll take your muddler and start to muddle the watermelon inside the shaker. Next, you'll squeeze your lime. First, cut it in half and then slice the ends off each side so both sides are open. Then you'll grab your citrus squeezer, place 1/2 of the lime inside, and squeeze out the juice. To make sure I'm getting the most out of my lime, I like to flip it over and squeeze it again, so this stuff is not totally necessary. You'll do the same thing with the other half of the lime. Grab your ice cubes and add some into the shaker. We just need a small handful. I'm dropping them in carefully so we don't splash all of the watermelon juice. Now you'll grab your jigger. We're gonna pour the tequila into the 2-ounce side. And then pour it into the shaker. Now flip your jigger over and we're gonna grab your orange liqueur and then pour it into the 1-ounce side. Then put your lid on your shaker. Make sure it's secure and then start shaking up your margarita. Shake vigorously for a few seconds. You won't need to shake for too long. You'll feel the metal start to get very cold. And once you notice it's frosty, you can stop. Many shakers now have a built-in strainer. If not, you can always have that as a separate piece. But once your margarita is all shaken up, you're just going to put your strainer on top or just take off the extra lid and pour it into your glass of ice. This watermelon was getting stuck in my strainer, which does happen when you muddle fruit, so you might have to shake it around a little bit. I eventually gave up and just took off the lid and filtered it out manually. Towards the end, a little bit of fruit snuck through, but that was okay. Once you're done pouring, you can add another slice of watermelon as garnish, and that's all.